Use your body and lift your mood. How to be less self-conscious. Work out on yourself every single day. If you can at least go for a run every single day, I want to recommend do it. Get sweaty, get nasty, do it. There's something about working out that just helps us put up our mood. If you're in a bad mood, if someone made fun of you, if someone says something that you didn't like, go work out. If you feel good, go work out and feel better. There's just something about when we work out on our body, whether it's running, working on our stomach, working on our abs, working on our stomach, working on our biceps, working on our triceps, working on our butt, whatever we're working on, I don't care. But use your body as a fuel mechanism to get better. Use your body to get jacked up. So anytime you're not in the mood to work out, work out. If you're in the mood to work out, definitely work out. But whatever it is, use your body and lift your mood. It's amazing that feeling we get after a nice 1 hour, hour and a half workout that we know that we worked hard, we got sweaty, we worked on our muscles, we're sore. There's that feeling we get that sends it to our brain that gets us to feel better. And remember, if we're not feeling good, it's hard to be positive. And if we're not positive, it's hard to want to move forward in whatever goal we're trying to accomplish to get done. But if we're pumped up, if we're happy, we're in a good mood. If we're in a good mood, we're confident. If we're confident, we can get closer to our goal of what we want to accomplish. Use your body and lift your mood. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video on social media, and I'll see everybody tomorrow.